Hey guys, Motor Car Nut here, and today we're going to be replacing a license plate bulb that looks like this on a 2008 to 2012 Volkswagen Passat. The CC and other ones can be similar, and it's important because, you know, if you have your lights out, you can get a ticket. So let me show you. Over here, there's one of them. You're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. I already took the other one out. Okay, you take the two Phillips head screws out, and then this is going to be in the vehicle, and what you're going to do is just pry it out because it just has little friction clips right here, one here, one here. So when it slides in and you want to take it out, you just pop it out like that, and then just as simple as changing it. I like testing them, you know, but if you don't, you know, you can put a battery on there, negative and positive, see if it lights up. Because if you look at this one, it almost looks like it's okay, but it's not. All right, so you take the old one out and you just put the new one in like that. Simple as that. All right, and now when you put it back in, all right, you're gonna put it back in like this, and then you're gonna get a screwdriver on this side and push this prong in so it snaps in. Okay, and then when it's in, the contacts over here. Well, let me do it with a mirror. It's easier with a mirror. The contacts in there, that's how it makes contact, and that's how it works. There's no plug. Also, you know, see these little angles over here? All right, that goes out. That goes towards you. Not this way, like that. Okay, and it's always good to test them before you screw them in. And that's it. Motor Car Nut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I appreciate all my comments and super thanks and everything like that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you.